Hello friends, today we are going to learn about quizzes.com, which is a wonderful quiz app which you can use in your classrooms for testing the students for different topics. So what you have to do, once you open the browser you will type quizzes.com and this page will show up. Now you can see there are many games recommended here which you can see, and these are related to different subjects: mathematics, social studies, English, languages, and so on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the topic which I want to do with my students. For example, I'm selecting algebra here. Now if I click on this arrow, you can see it is showing all the quizzes related to algebra. So but what you can see here, for example, in the first one it is written algebra vocabulary, but the grade is mentioned 6th to 7th, and in the next one it is mentioned algebra review 9th to 10th grade. So if you want to select the grade, what you will do, you will click on this filter. Now you can select the grade you wanted to choose, for example elementary, middle, high school or university. If I am selecting middle school, then on the left side it is saying choose the subject. So these are the different subjects available here. For example, I am selecting mathematics. Then languages, of course I am choosing the language English here. Then number of questions, if you want to do a very small exercise with your students, you can choose the questions from 1 to 10. Now once you selected all these filters, just apply. Now you can see all the quizzes which are based on algebra are till 8th grade. So these are the different games available. For example, if you click on the first one, now you can see solo practice. Here you can play alone this game, or you can share this practice link with your student or your friend. Now if you click on assign homework, now you can see the date is mentioned. For example, June 14th is written here. You can see the time under this, 9:45 p.m. It means the child can do this quiz 1 day and 6 minutes from now. As today is 13th, so tomorrow it will be 14th. So this is the time given to the child. So he or she can play this game in this 24 hours. Now I'm not going to click on continue, I'm going back. If you will press the continue button, the game will go to the child. Now I'm not assigning it. Now if you will click on play live, now these are the three modes given. One is test. For this test, a student has to log in to do this assessment. So if he doesn't want to log in, then he can not give this test. It is an online platform. Now if you click on team, then you can select the team mode, and you can divide the students of your class in teams so that they can play the game online. Now the center one is the classic one. If you continue on this, then you can see this game code is shown under joinmyquiz.com, and there is a little small letters it is written or share via. If you click on this, then you can share the link also. For example, if you click on this share link, it will show your screen like this. You can copy this link and you can paste it in your Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or just copy this link and you can share it in WhatsApp also. Now once you copy the link, you can share it in your WhatsApp group. For example, if I am pasting this in my WhatsApp group with my friend, So what I'm going to do, I'll just paste it, and when you paste it, it will come up like this. Now my friend can play, or my students can play by just clicking on this link, and they can come to this game. So thank you once again. So this is all about playing the game. Thank you so much.